All right, that was 1 pound of my cooked bow tie pasta. Still pretty hot. All right. Now we have here 12 ounces of broccoli florets that we're just gonna add right over here for this easy and delicious recipe. We have 12 ounces of cauliflower florets that we will add right over here. I've got 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna add right up here. Ooh, I love cherry tomatoes and I love to leave them whole. You can cut them in half if you like. Now I have some diced red onion. I'm gonna put that right over here in the front. We're using about the equivalent of 1 red diced onion. Oh, look at all those beautiful colors. Is it reminding you of anything yet, David?
Christmas.
Yes.
Oh.
And then some shredded mozzarella cheese. We're gonna use about 1 cup. Put it right in the middle there. This is optional. If you want to keep this healthier, you don't have to add the cheese. You could also use a protein pasta if you want it to be healthier. And then I have here some Duke's real mayonnaise. That's right. And we are going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise, so about half of this container here. We are making a delicious Christmas pasta salad. It's gonna be so yummy. It's got all these beautiful Christmas colors. We're making the dressing right now, so we are also gonna add some sour cream. All they had was this big tub at my store. They were all out of the smaller tubs. I'm just eyeballing this. I'm gonna add about half a cup of sour cream in here. Okay, that looks about half a cup to me. What do you think, David?
Yeah, I'd say so.
You have no idea, huh? I'm just kidding. And then we're gonna add a little bit of sweetness. We have 1 tablespoon of sugar going right in there as well. We're gonna add a little bit of zing. I've got my apple cider vinegar. Now remember, a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon. Okay. That looks good to me. You can measure everything if you like. I like measuring in my heart. Now I have some black pepper. We're gonna add about half a teaspoon. Oh, that looks great. I love how that just grinds that up for me. I'll take back my mayo spoon here. It's all going in the same place. And we are going to mix everything together right in our super large bowl. This, I guess, pasta salad, is that like an appetizer, David? What do you think?
Yeah, I'd say so.
This appetizer is going to be so perfect for a Christmas party, a get-together. It's got the beautiful colors of Christmas. It's got some healthy ingredients in here. I think it's pretty healthy because it's got all the veggies. Of course, we do have that mayo and pasta and sugar and cheese, but I don't think that discounts all the delicious veggies we have in here. You could also mix your dressing separately in another bowl, but I just want to use 1 dish for this and we'll see how it goes. All right, that looks so good. Ooh, it's so pretty. Let's serve this up. You can go ahead and chill this in the refrigerator if you like, but I'm just gonna serve it up right now. I can't wait. Ooh, those beautiful colors. And that bow tie pasta is just so cute. Reminds me of like little Christmas bows. That looks delicious. little bit of, I don't know about the cauliflower. Sometimes I like cauliflower, sometimes I don't. You gotta try that.